Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how can you make an auto-click macro with Model O mouse. In order to create an auto-click macro on a Glorious Model O mouse, you'll use the Glorious Core software. First thing first, launch the Glorious Core software on your computer. You want to move on to key binding, then macro. Now then you just have to go ahead and select the button you want to assign the macro to and choose new macro. Next thing what you have to do is, after you've done selecting, you want to go ahead and click on start recording. Then you want to select the type of macro that you want to record, so click on record and click on start recording and perform your clicking patterns. Once you've done it, so click on stop recording, and after which you could fine-tune the delay between clicks within the macro settings. You want to go ahead and save the macro in a Glorious Core software, so click on macro and then save it. So now then you simply want to go ahead and try out the macro to make sure it works as intended, and you could go ahead and try out to make sure it works intended. So this is how you could make an auto click macro with Model O mouse. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.